What's up, y'all? Hope y'all having a beautiful and blessed day. Let's get straight into the topic. Is money third dimensional? Is money low vibrational? My answer to this is yes and no. See what I did there? Money is only low vibrational if you use it in a low vibrational way. Now, if you're talking about on technical terms, yes, money is third dimensional because we can touch money, we can feel money. Yeah, money is third dimensional, but it depends on how you use it, right? So the way a lot of people think of money nowadays is that money is low vibrational, third dimensional, because we see a lot of rich people use it in certain ways that isn't favorable to humanity. So for example, we see rich people like buy $3,000 dinners, right? It ain't serving no purpose but them, right? They're using a lot of money, a lot of money to serve no purpose but them, when they can use that $3,000 to feed like motherfucking 3,000 homeless people, right? The question is, if I gave you $1 million, how would you use it? Because I know how I use it. I will use it to help me, my family, and other people. Now, I ain't gonna come on here and cap to y'all. I'm not finna just, you know what I'm saying? I might get the PS5 too. You know what I'm saying? I might get a new laptop. I might get, some materialistic thing. Cause I'm a person, you know what I'm saying? I got wants, I got desires, you know what I'm saying? That's natural, that's okay. But at the same time, I'm gonna use it for good shit as well. Because I'm aware that everybody else is just a reflection of myself. So if I'm helping that person out, that person's finna help me out. If I give you $2, I'm finna get $3. That's how karma works, right? So early on, you have to come to the realization that money will not make you happy. But it depends on what you do with that money. You see, money is third dimensional, but it can unlock fifth dimensional feelings. It can unlock fifth dimensional emotions. So think about how good it feels to give a homeless person $2-3. You know what I'm saying? Just $2-3. You are unlocking that emotion of them feeling, because once again, everybody's a reflection of yourself. So you are unlocking that emotion of them receiving that money. You get what I'm saying? You feeling their emotion. You think that's just gratitude, but no, you're feeling their emotions. You're connecting with them. So that's what you need to use money for. You need to use money to not only help out yourself, buy materialistic things if you really want to, but keep in mind that those materialistic things not finna make you happy. No matter what, bro. It go like this. Boom. Happiness go way up here. It goes way up here, right? 2-3 months. Boom. 4 months. 5 months. 6 months. You get the point. Over time, that happiness plateaus. It stagnates. Because at this point, it's your vibration now. That Ferrari is just in your vibration. So you're not shocked to it. It's not an initial shock. So if you're going to use money, it has to be fifth dimensional. It has to be at least like, I'm going to say it has to be like 50% fifth dimensional. And 50% you can use on a more third dimensional aspect, buying new shit. But you got to realize, the more you spend your money on more fifth dimensional things, the more that will elevate your vibration and elevate your happiness. It's okay to attract money. You see how I didn't say it's okay to chase money? Because when you chase something, it's running away from you. You ain't never finna get money if you chasing money, or you're always gonna get the same amount of money. It's okay to attract money as long as you're spending it on the right shit. Don't just spend it on some new phone that's the exact same phone as that you using right now and think that that's gonna make you happy. Bro, it's not. Nothing's going to happen, bro. You're gonna be happy for a little while, then it's gonna stagnate. You need money in this society. I mean, I'm just gonna be real, bro. You need money in this society. Because think about it like this. Think about it in a more spiritual aspect. You need the basics: food, water, shelter, and purpose. Those are the 4 basic things that you need. You need. Everybody always forgets about the purpose one. But the purpose one is the only one that you only need money for. But so food, water, and shelter. Sadly, in this society, it is what it is. You need money for food, water, and shelter. You just need it, bro. Now, some people will argue that you don't really need food and water. If you had a high vibration, you can just, get nutrients from the sun. That is true, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you need food and water and shelter. And in order to get food, water, and shelter, you need money, bro. If you don't get these 3 basic things, then you will dip into that low vibration of the root chakra. Now, what does food, water, and shelter mean to you? That's dependent on you. See, shelter can mean RV, bro. You can live in an RV, travel the world. Food can be completely organic food, completely non-GMO, no meat, no dairy products, none of that stuff. If you don't have these things, you will dip into the root chakra. That will lower your vibration. So you kind of need money to raise your vibration, bro. You can't just be outside meditating there all day. Plus, I don't even think that was the point of life, to meditate all day. I think the point of life was to have fun, was to do shit, was to experience things. And especially if you know law of attraction, money really ain't that hard to attract. It's really not that hard to attract. Once you realize law of attraction, once you realize that, your beliefs create your reality. Watch my last video. Your beliefs create your reality. Once you realize these things, money ain't that hard to attract, bro. Period. I will reiterate my first point. Money is only low vibrational if you spend it on low vibrational things. If you go to the strip club, you do spend it on alcohol, if you spend it on low vibrational things, that is the low vibrational. Money is neutral, bro. It's neutral. Okay? It's not high vibrational. It's not low vibrational. It's literally just a currency. It's neutral. It's all what you spend it on. Are you helping people? Are you spending it on bullshit that only serves your lower self? So that's what you need to think about. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys resonated with the words I spoke on today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, tell me what you thought about it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.